Does email marketing seem like an overwhelming task? What if I told you that you can use ChatGPT to create an email marketing sequence that will save you time and stress? In this video, I'm going to share with you how you can use ChatGPT to write powerful, client attractive emails that build relationships and grow your coaching business. By the end, you will have actionable tips and ready to use prompts to get you started today. Look, coach, I understand that email marketing can be quite overwhelming, and I've been exactly where you are. But let me just tell you, email marketing is a powerful way to build your coaching business. That is why I want to share with you how I use ChatGPT to write emails, to build relationships, and to continue to grow my business on autopilot. That's the key to being a CEO coach. Learning how to build systems so that you are successfully bringing in passive income in your business. Let me show you how I use ChatGPT to grow my coaching business the easy and simplest way. What you're going to learn today is how to write a compelling welcome email for your new subscribers, how to craft a follow up email sequence to keep your audience engaged, and how to create promotional emails that don't feel salesy but inspire action. The first email that we're going to write is the welcome email. This is a great way to warm people up and just to get to know you a little better. So, what I'm going to do is copy and paste a prompt that I already have, and we're going to work with that. And as you can see, here's the prompt: write a warm and friendly welcome email for a coach who helps clients with, and we're going to say career transition, because I have a couple of coaches that are career coaches. And so, we're going to take those brackets off and highlight their freebie offer and invite them to reply with their biggest struggle. All right, so let's see what happens. All right, great subject line. Loving this. Let's read this. So, welcome. Your career transition journey just got easier. And I love that ChatGPT also includes little emojis. It gives you hi, and this is where you'll put their first name. If you're using an email system, automatically puts the name into the field. If you capture the first name, then this is going to be easy for you to include the first name as well. So make sure you always capture the first name. And then welcome to whatever the name of your business. I'm so excited to have you here. Whether you're exploring a new career path, aiming for the next big opportunity, or stepping into the unknown with boldness, you're in the right place. I've gotten a special gift for you. And here's the name of the freebie. You want to give a brief description of the freebie, and it's designed to help you in the key benefit: clarify your goals, build a plan, take an action. And then there's a link to download the freebie. I know firsthand that career transitions can feel both exciting and overwhelming. That's why I love to hear from you. And this is where your person would reply with what their biggest struggle is. And then it goes on, and then it says the new beginnings and exciting possibilities. And it also gives you an optional closing. P.S. Your dreams are within reach, and I'm here to help you make them happen. This is a great welcome email to anyone who opts into your list. You send them this welcome email, they get your freebie, they're able to download it, and then they're also able to engage with you. So the second email that we're going to create is called the follow-up sequence. Now, this is how you really get people excited about building an email list and just getting to know you and have the opportunity to sell your next mid-tier offer, which could be a coaching program, it could be a coaching course, it could be another digital product, whatever that might be. But this is the next offer you want to make. So that's right. Our follow up sequence. And your follow up sequence is going to conclude 3 emails. So here's the prompt: create a 3 email sequence for someone who downloaded a free guide on, I'm going to keep career transition. Email 1 should include a quick win. Email 2 shares a personal story. And email 3 gently introduces my paid offer. You see that? Love that. Let's go and hit enter on that one. And so it starts to write email 1, and then email 2, and email 3. Look at that. That's fast, right? Saving you tons of time. If I had to do this myself, this would taking me. So what I do love about ChatGPT, the more you interact with it, the more it's going to pick up on your personal language and how you speak as well. So this is email one, a quick win to jumpstart your career transition. And then the subject line is your first step toward a career you love. And it said, congratulations for downloading that freebie. That freebie that just downloaded, this is where you can send this email sequence after they've downloaded. So you put the name of that freebie. I know how excited and sometimes daunting career transitions can be. So I wanted to share a quick win with you can achieve today to build momentum. So this quick win allows them to say, oh my gosh, she's giving me something else free. Yes. So a quick win is to clarify your why and et cetera. And it gives you a pro tip and what's your why? Reply to this email. I'd love to hear what you're driving your transition and how I can support you. Your future career is calling and you've already taken steps toward it. Keep going. Y'all see that? There's another way for them to reply back to you. Now, let me share a pro secret with you. When people are replying back to your emails, this lets you know that this is your ideal client who really wants your help. So, this is really important to when people reply back to you that you reply back to them as soon as you possibly can because this person is considered a hot lead and is ready to take action to buy your program, to sign up for a coaching service, to buy other digital products. So definitely reply to them. Let them know that there's a real person behind every single email. Let's get to email number two. It's about a career transition story. My biggest career lesson and how I can help you. This is an email that's going to show a little bit more of your personality. This is really important to have like examples of how you have the same problems and how you've overcome them. If this particular email doesn't work for you, what you would do is ask ChatGPT to rewrite it and put the example of a case study or a client and how you have helped them and how they were able to overcome their biggest struggle that they've had. And then email three is your next step forward, ready to take your career transition to the next level. Now, this is where you share your offer. This is your next tier offer. It can be a digital product, it can be your one on one strategy session, it can be a coaching program, okay? Whatever your next offer is. So, it allows you to put the name of the offer. It gives you some benefits of that offer and then gives you the link for that person to buy this offer. And then, of course, it ends with a PS. You got this. Don't wait to start creating a career in life. What I love about this email sequence is that it always ends with encouragement and motivation. And that's what you want your people on your email list to feel that you're there for them, you're supporting them, that you have empathy for where they are and you understand their struggle. So, ending an email or including motivation or encouragement in an email is going to make you stand out from other people who are just really being pushy and is about the sale and not the person. The next email that ChatGPT is going to help us write is the promotional email. This is straight promotional. People maybe have been on your list for a while and you want to sell something. You want to get what we call fast cash or a fast injection of cash. And you want a promotional email that helps you do that. So let's grab the prompt. So the prompt is write an email promoting my coaching program. So whatever the name of your coaching program, and I'm going to put six-figure career career coaching program. So that's what I'm gonna call it. That focuses on the benefits of getting a six-figure job. So we're gonna keep that and with a clear call to action. That's a really big one right there. Okay, so let's hit enter. All right. Took ChatGPT a little bit to write that one. Ooh, this is good. This is good. Not really, real long, but really clean and concise. So the subject line is ready to land your six-figure dream job. And then again, it's and puts their name there. Putting their name in the email again is really important. So make sure you are capturing the person's first name. Imagine this waking up every day excited to step into a career that not only lights up but also pays you what you are truly worth. Ooh, that's about them desires. That's exactly what my six-figure career coaching program is designed to help you achieve. Here's what life could look like with a six-figure career. This is also picking up on the desires of our ideal clients, right? Financial freedom, career fulfillment, personal development, professional growth. And here's how my program can help you get there. Y'all, look at that. Awesome. Ready to take the leap? And then here's the link to go to your coaching program to the sales page so they can get a little bit more information. And then, of course, it's going to end with a PS. Don't wait to take action. Your dream job won't come knocking. Click here to learn more and secure your spot. And then you're going to place the link there again. Y'all, this is a gold mine. You now have three sets of emails. You have a promotional email that we just wrote. You also have a 3 email sequence, and then you also have a welcome email, all written using ChatGPT. I don't know about you, but that is a definite time saver for me. I use ChatGPT like my own personal assistant, okay, that has great copywriting skills. So I want you to use ChatGPT to help you save time in your coaching business writing emails because emails are super important to the growth of your coaching business. Now is your turn to pick one email prompt that you can get started with. But I've made it super easy for you just in case you didn't get those prompts. Those prompts that I've created are down below this video. So all you have to do is copy and paste them. I think that will help a lot. All right. If you can, please, if you liked my video, go ahead and hit that button. And if you're feeling a little fancy, go ahead and hit the share button with some other coach that you know needs this training. You have an awesome and blessed day, and I'll be talking to you later. Peace out.